Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. I'm Casey. If you're new here, I create simple, easy, budget-friendly DIYs. If that's something that you also like and enjoy, please go like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video. Hi everyone, today I want to try something new called Monday Made Simple, which simply means what it says. On Monday I will show you how to create the most simple DIYs ever. So simple a 4-year-old could do it. Okay, on today's Monday Made Simple, I will show you how I created these 3 beautiful crafts all inspired by Easter. Okay, let's get started. For my first DIY, I will show you how I created this beautiful Easter egg tree. I first started by taking these small branches off a tree in my front yard. Then I had my husband spray paint my branches white so it could go with all my Easter and spring decor. So I found these beautiful, colorful foam eggs at the Dollar Tree for only $1. And on the bag you can even see an Easter egg tree, which means they were made just for this purpose. I also found this glass vase at the Dollar Tree along with these beautiful glitter vase fillers. And you guys should know by now, I'm a sucker for anything with glitter. So I just love this. So now I'm just going to arrange my branches together so everything looks nice. And I'm going to secure them together with some jute string. And I'm going to wrap the jute string all around the bottom of my branches, and to ensure my jute string stays in place, I'm going to add some hot glue to secure it. Now once I put my branches in my vase, I'm going to add my vase filler. Once I add all my vase filler, it's time to add my eggs to my branches. Now there's no right or wrong way to do it. It's completely up to you and your preference. You can put your eggs wherever you like on your tree. And once you're done putting your eggs on your tree, you're done. So simple and easy, and most importantly, budget friendly. For my second Made Simple DIY craft, I will be creating a very simple Happy Easter sign using a picture frame and a gift bag. Now, of course, from me just saying that, you know you will need a picture frame and a gift bag, and I got both of my items from the Dollar Tree for just $1. Now all I'm going to do is insert this gift bag into this frame the same way I would do as if I was inserting a regular picture. Now I found this adorable gift bag at the Dollar Tree, and it was just so cute to me, especially with that little bow. And the Happy Easter has glitter on it, and after that I was just obsessed with it. Unfortunately for this project, I had to cut the bow off so that it could fit into the frame, but it still turned out beautiful, so I was happy about that. Now once I have the bag inside the frame, I want to add a little more cuteness, so I decided to make a cute little bow to put on the side.
watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?
Now for our last Made Simple DIY, we are going to stuff this adorable Easter bunny. Now I found this Easter bunny at the Dollar Tree for just $1. Now she originally already had some stuffing, but not a lot. And I just thought she would be way cuter if she had a lot more stuffing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add a lot more stuffing to her. Now all I did was take her apart from the seams because she was sewed up. So I just kind of cut her open like surgery, and I took out her little stuffing that she already had. And as you can see, she's separated into two parts now. So all I'm going to do is with this liquid stitch and my hot glue gun is I'm just going to seam her back together while adding more stuffing. And I bought this stuffing from Walmart. I don't think they sell stuffing, pillow stuffing at Dollar Tree, but you guys will let me know or I'll find some eventually if they do. Now all I'm going to do is outline this bunny where I took the seams out at. I'm just gonna run my my hot glue and my liquid stitch along those lines until I get to the very top where the ears are. And then I'm going to add my stuffing. That way I'll have a big enough and small enough opening for my stuffing, because I didn't want to add my stuffing as I went. I thought that would just be too messy and just too much. So I'm just gonna outline it with my hot glue and liquid stitch all the way to the top until I get to the ears. Now once I'm hot glued it how I want, and I have my little medium size opening, I'm just gonna take my stuffing. I'm just gonna take like medium to small amounts because I don't want to add too much at one time, because it is a small medium opening. It's not like a big opening. So I'm just gonna take a small / medium amount and just add it in. And then with like whatever you have by you, a pencil, or I had like a painter's brush and a wrench, so I was just using that to kind of move my stuffing around inside, because I had a small opening so I couldn't put my hand all the way down there. So whatever you have, just use it to kind of move your stuffing around. And again, just add it little by little by little and just move it around as you go. And then once you're got the look that you want, you can add a little or you can add a lot. Now I don't want to say I add a little, but I don't want to say I added a lot. I like in the middle. I didn't want her to be too stuffed, so I just added like a medium amount of stuffing to my little bunny. And so once you get the look that you want to outline the ears again with the liquid stitch and the hot glue. and kind of go towards till you get to the middle where the little head is, and leave like a medium to small opening again, because you're gonna want to add your stuffing so you can fill up your ears. So just leave a little opening right there in the middle to add your stuffing to your ears. Now, to me, adding the stuffing to the ears wasn't really that hard. Again, just get your whatever you have, like a stick or whatever, or a wrench or whatever, to help you navigate the stuffing into the holes and move it around. It really wasn't that hard, and I used a small amount for the ears too of stuffing. And I just used my little wrench or whatever I had beside me and just moved the little stuffing around. And it was pretty simple. And then once I got the ears, how much stuffing I wanted in them, again, it's your preference, so it's up to you. Once you have it looking how you want, you will just put some hot glue and some liquid stitch in the middle where the head is, and just close it up. And you are done. You have your little bunny stuffed the way you liked. And I always use a lot of hot glue and liquid stitch, so I had to clean mine up. So just with some scissors, if you have a lot extra bleeding on the side, just take some scissors and cut it, and make it look pretty to your liking. And this was a very simple and easy project. Again, it was just a bunny, and I just want to add some extra stuffing. It really didn't take that long at all, like less than 30 minutes, and it was very simple and very easy. And now you have your cute little bunny. Now, again, all these projects were very easy, very simple, very quick to make, and importantly, it was budget friendly. Now, again, this is something new that I'm doing. I'm not going to do it every Monday, but I will reserve all my quick and simple projects for Monday so that it can be a part of Monday Made Simple. Quick and simple, easy DIYs that anybody can do, even a 4-year-old. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you do, go like and leave a nice comment, and go subscribe to my page, Creative State of Mind with Casey. And I will be back hopefully tomorrow with another video, because it is Easter week, so I want to bring you as many Easter videos as I can. So I'll see you soon. Bye.